Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make side pleated gown. Side pleated gown. Materials needed are fabric. You'll be needing up to 4 yards of fabrics or more depending on the person that is going to wear it. Tailor's chalk, tape rule and scissors. Put your horizontal measurements as seen here. Contour the under bust using 0.5 inch and 1.25 as seen here. To contour the over bust, come down by 6 or as desired from the shoulder as seen here. Divide the shoulder slope into 2 and connect to the bust points as seen here. Put the vertical measurements as seen here. Then contour the over bust on both sides as desired. Draw your start line as seen here. Cut it out. Slash the lines and number it using slash and spread method. Spread on a fresh paper. Cut ×2 of it. The outcome will be like this when you couple everything together. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.